Welcome to the Requiem of the Nightingale. In the Nightingale's mind, in his drug-fueled fantasy, to kill himself of his dissatisfaction from his castration, in his hallucination, in his mind, will he reconcile the violence in his heart? Will he recognize the beauty of his superego's art? Will he exorcise the demons of his past? What will his undisclosed desires clarify at last?
Nightingale, we finally meet, my love.
Ozymandias, how dare you appear in my memory again?
Oh, you hurt my heart. I am a much nobler bird, for I am you, and you are I.
Nonsense. Such parallels do not exist anymore. I have long abandoned my childhood.
They do. Feel the same thing. The part of you can never improve. The change you want to attain, yet never certain.
Why were you anxious, dissatisfied with, and disconnected from who I was born as? Ozymandias, can you fathom the unimaginable pain of having a soul, yet not the body to love?
Fierce passion you possess, dear Nightingale. But remember, I use both hands to create the pyramid that we stand on top of.
And I will use both hands to take the life away from this empire.
We meet in the middle. We meet in the sand. So please, do not take away our lives and understand.
It's your desire for singing. The castration I underwent at 10.
It made me the Nightingale, but not the charmed magic of the fairyland.
Just a solitary reaper.
Reaping and singing by myself.
Yet no one understands what my soul yearns for in my music.
When every man is torn apart with nightmares and with dreams, he always fears that he will be crying tomorrow. The fear that the great Ozymandias and the serene Nightingale is to overcome.
No! It's a paradox that only I need to escape. For you have condemned me to become not less of a man.
This feeling of alienation, this loneliness, the consequences of my decision.
You'll never understand the pain of this confusion.
No, I beg you, do not abandon me again, dear Nightingale.
I banish you, Ozymandias.
Well. I wonder who the serpent will tempt today. I feel how does my mind will now. You are the most beautiful apparition of myself.
And your humor is as dry as usual.
You hurt my heart. Such an unhinged response. You must be the cold vanilla eyes.
Here, Ma, you have been weary. Have this apple.
Oh, please! I know that apple is poisoned.
Pardon?
Your humor is even drier than mine. Are you here to stop me from killing myself as well?
You are already beyond any saving. The pill's effect is coursing through every vein in your body. Yet, it amazes me to see how foolish you truly are. Dying at 27, you have no legacy to leave behind.
The society bestowed me none. I was always an apparition of the outcast.
Nay, you were celebrated, a kind, revered.
Do not backlash me as an ignorant.
You only loved your voice in silence. For in silence, there is no rejection.
Of course, you discard my emotions.
In truth, you place your heart in between your legs and call it a misery,
An unsatisfaction that should have been treated as a gift. My ideals, you plague me. My morals, you deceive me.
Such idiocracy, such self-fulfilling prophecy. The fountain foundations of her philosophy. And this little that we call your mind. Oh, pitiful nightingale, this is not the conquest of your endless lives. No, we are entities that operate in the shadow. Do not go beyond your meadow. Birds in the trap sing the song of demise. You can soar with your wings. You can be the Icarus of the story. But there shan't be a Daedalus to tell your tale.
When I sang, you sanctify my body with pain. When I prayed, you sanctify the love that I crave. Do I deserve no retribution?
Citrin, your redemption is a forsaken desire for requiem. Dear Castrato,
I can't compete your words with mine. I'm insecure. It's not a lie. But you must listen, O horned beast. Your green eyes reflects upon mine. But as the chaos of institute, the melancholy of night has been supposing. If I'm in over my head, I shall swim the Gangas. If I have to then, the Pongas and the Euphrates as well. Oh, Nefarious, arch-feet eater of nefariousness, who will you devour? That's all I have been wondering all this time. So tell me, what makes you mine? It's hard to admit, my misery is a lie. It's the idea of you, which is mine. I suffocate when you don't let me soar the sky. Because the idea of my identity isn't mine.
I am the deepest and darkest of desires. Given flesh!
Spirit, who art thou in the court of King Crimson?
I am useless.
Embodiment of the sandcastle within the icy vessels.
I now sing the song of the night candle.
I believe thou art having a human experience, my beloved son. How many feathers have thou plucked? In harmony, how many emotions have thou murdered? O precious beast of androgyny, wilt thou not weave the thread of love in thyself?
No, Father, no one believes me. This curse of destiny plagues my mind until the very last thought in the conscious is burned out into oblivion.
I love thee. Wouldst thou not love thyself? This obsidian sharpness in thee, for thyself, for thy king. Wouldst thee not love the edges until they disappear?
Will you free me?
My son, this is the end of the road of thy catharsis. See this sand? The tighter thou hold, the quicker it slips through thy hands. Go on, live. The mystery of life isn't a problem to dissect. It is a reality to experience.
I'm free. I'm free.
Thou art the epitaph of the court. The crimson within thee resonates with the blues of the melody.
In my self-righteous attempt at suicide, I have achieved the ultimate retribution, a second chance at life.
What wilt thou do now?
I think I shall now quit Song of Love.
However, to be or not to be, the question remains.
And we have all the students here who participated in the play.